John Nadler, gold sold off this week because the Fed doesn't seem like they're going to be accommodative. I'm getting a little bit confused. Where is the Fed? How will it affect gold?
Join the club, Greg. To the extent that Bernanke has been somewhat fuzzy on his pronouncements over the past couple of weeks, certain other ones amongst his team members have been pretty clear. They basically said, look, we've done all we can. The economy needs to walk on its own, and we're not quite willing to give and give and give. This has, of course, spooked a lot of asset class investors, gold included, of course, but you saw tantrums being thrown in the equities market as well this week because of this. So the era of easy money coming to a possible end is what is really scaring investors here. What we have to look forward to is continued U.S. economic recovery, because in the absence of that, of course, the Fed will have to pull some rabbits out of the hat. And even though they might do so, I think it'll be an inflation-sterilized version of a QE if it happens.
Meanwhile, over in Spain, you saw bond yields blow out. Will Spain really kickstart gold, or will that offset what's going on in the U.S.?
Well, at this point, Europe continues to exhibit trouble, and Spain is really not a surprise to anybody. I think the recent firewalls are probably not tall enough, such as have been erected. The problem with Europe, I think, remains the fact that at the end of the day, any further cracks in the system there will be euro detrimental. This, of course, plays right into the hand of dollar bulls and dollar holders, because at the end of the day, we saw that trade too in the earlier part of the year, where gold and the euro were trading in tandem. So we have to be mindful of that, as well as of the fact that the ECB is also unwilling to basically give and give and give. We saw Draghi yesterday saying that, rates stay pat, but any types of easing is really not in the cards over there either.
Finally, gold miners continue to underperform both equities as well as the metal itself. Any gold miners you like out there? Any ones that are buys right here?
Well, I think to the extent that, the sector is way overdue to perform, I would concentrate on quality players. And although I don't personally hold positions in these, I very much like Rio Tinto. I like Xstrata. I like Vale. I like Glencore. These are, good metrics for ratios on earnings to price and so on. I think that the proven producers have some room to go, even though I don't think that the next up leg in the miners will be a result of some leverage to a rising gold price. They'll perform on their own.
This market is
stock pickers market.
Stocks have rallied this year.
We're coming into a Monday where we're going to